Your girlfriend's gonna take you out.
Oh! What's up, bitch? You got your fucking distraction over here on the camera. I thought I was gonna shoot you in the back of the neck, so I just shot.
Look at Ashley did to my camera. She shot me. Ashley shot me.
Your girlfriend's gonna shoot you. Oh, Charlie's standing over here beside me.
Well, he wasn't there when I said that. Oh, oh, hit the deck! I'm in the line of fire!
Whoa! I'm terrified right now. Yeah.
Good hit, good hit! Keep your mask on! Jeez, lady. Where'd you get hit? Game on. Paint check. I think he's good. He's still in.
Good?
Are you in? Yeah, I think he's in. Ashley's out. Oh shit. You ran right up on him. I can't believe you had that much balls. Good job. Good job, man. You got heart, man. He heard him reload and he ran in.
I have a teammate left.
I'll get out of your way, don't worry. They can't even hit you that far away. Nice shot! I actually shot my camera. Oh shit!
You still need to build a cable here, dude. That's just awesome, Phil.
How's that working out for you, Charlie? I'm not that short anymore.